Hey everyone, welcome back. Just wanted to show you this authentic style grill cover that I purchased from Walmart. Just wanted to do a quick review and kind of my thoughts and then see how this fits on the grill. I have had my grill for about 4 months. I haven't put the cover on because I use it so often, but now that it's starting to rain, it's getting cold, I want to go ahead and cover it up. So let's go and open this up. Scoot this over. So, material feels nice, feels thick. Doesn't feel like some of the cheaper grill covers you can see out there for like 20 bucks. By the way, this was about $50 at Walmart. So I'm hoping this will last. My grill actually sits underneath a cover, so it shouldn't be as exposed to the elements, but I do want to cover up for dust and other stuff. So looks like it has a pull string to kind of tighten up the bottom. Open up the rest of this. Like I said, it feels nice. I'm not sure if this will be I don't think it'll be waterproof. If you look at the inside, it is like a PVC protection, so maybe it is. So I'll go ahead and put this on the grill and see how it fits. I wanted to show you how this grill cover fits. You can see it has the logo on there, kind of nice. Pretty decent material. One thing I didn't really care for is this drawstring doesn't really hold very well. I wish there was some way to clip the grill down to the cover, mostly if it's windy, it might blow off. Couldn't really tighten it too much. You can see it goes over the grill stack there. It cleared that side pan with the hooks on it. Also have my front shelf that I put on this grill, and it cleared no problem. So if you guys want to know how to add a shelf to your grill, go ahead and click the link above. And, so right over the hopper. So hopefully keep all the pellets from swelling up in the rain or something. And it goes all the way down to the bottom, which is good. So it should protect pretty well. Looks like it's pretty well made. Material's pretty thick. Like I said, it had like a plastic lining inside, so I'm hoping that keeps it somewhat waterproof. It's pretty easy to put on. And we'll see how over time if it fades or not, but it should protect the grill. And like I said, I use this grill quite often, so I'll be taking this cover on and off quite a bit. So hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe. I'll be posting some other videos on modifications and cooks, so thanks for watching.